Here's how to fix TikTok if it's not letting you follow anyone. Now, if you're on the TikTok app and previously you could follow somebody or multiple accounts, but now basically it's just not letting you follow anyone, I'm going to walk you through the steps on why that might be and how to get it fixed. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a support page here. And basically it says there are a couple limits. Maybe you're running into these limits. One is that you cannot follow more than 10,000 accounts. So if you're on TikTok here and tap on your profile at the bottom right, if you see following here and that's 10,000, then you cannot follow any more accounts. You have to unfollow some accounts and then follow new accounts if you wanted to follow them. Now, another thing it says here is that the TikTok daily following limit is 200 accounts. So again, if you're in TikTok here and you're following tons of new friends, but you've reached that limit of 200 follows in a single day, then you just need to wait till the next day to follow more people. Basically, this is keeping any kind of bots from just mass following tons of people and then mass unfollowing them as well. Now, that's a couple of reasons why you might not be able to follow anyone. Another thing you can do is tap those three lines at the top right, and then hit on settings and privacy, and then account at the very top. Now, you want to make sure if you go in here, there's no pop-up that says that you need to verify your information, verify your email address or phone number. If it does pop up and say that you need to verify something, then potentially you just need to go through that process. You can see the third option here is verification. Basically go through this process and try to verify everything, verify all of your information. Now, another thing that you can do is go to privacy and you can see at the very top private account. Now, you can normally follow an account. If it is a public account, you just tap follow and you can follow them. But if they are a private account, then you have to go through the process of requesting to follow them first, and then they'll decide basically whether they will allow you to follow them or not. Now, the last thing that we can do is go back and we'll go to the very bottom and hit on report a problem. And then once we're in here again, if this ever loads, we can, let's try to go back. I might need to exit out of there. All right, let's go back into it. Profile, 3 lines, settings and privacy, and then scroll down and hit report a problem. There we go. Now at the very bottom, you can see submit report. Let's tap on that. And basically what you're going to do is if you went through all of these steps and you still cannot follow and you haven't reached those daily limits, then just explain in here, basically you're having trouble following anybody. It won't let you follow. I include, a screenshot or a little video, something to basically show an example of what you're seeing when you try to follow somebody. And you should get a response back. Usually within a few days, they should be able to look at your account and get it fixed if there's any kind of bug on your account. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.